Anti-aging skincare natural face masks for 10 years younger looking face. Best face mask for aging skin. You might have used many anti-aging facial or many face cream to look younger. You have heard of Japanese face mask for wrinkles. But you have to agree with me, the best mask for aging skin is always been natural face masks. Red lentils found in the kitchen can serve as anti-aging skincare ingredients to make a face mask for younger skin. It will act as a natural face mask for wrinkles and cure many skin problems. We have shared many anti-aging face mask ingredients in our channel. Today we have come up with some best natural ingredients for face mask to give you younger looking skin naturally. Turmeric benefits as an amazing herb to the best anti-aging mask. Turmeric contains strong antioxidants, including curcuminoids that help in delaying the process of aging, which makes it an effective anti-aging facial for younger looking skin. 1 teaspoon of coconut oil fights free radicals, reduces wrinkles, and makes this face mask for clear skin. It also soothes your skin and moisturizes it. When you are going to make your own face mask for aging skin, then raw coconut oil works the best when your skin loses collagen with age. If you want the facial for younger looking skin that naturally glows and looks like it's full of life, you need to choose some good face mask for healthy skin. We're going to let you in on a secret kitchen ingredient that is full of surprising beauty benefits and also happens to be the fountain of younger looking face. Pumpkins contain retinoic acid, antioxidants, beta-carotene and vitamins A, C and E that you find in the most expensive anti-aging skincare. If you want to know how you can use this anti-aging facial at home, then you have to watch this anti-wrinkle home remedies carefully. When you are going to make the best face mask for older skin tightening and to get younger face skin, then this food face masks from your kitchen ingredients works the best to tighten sagging skin. We all know the benefits of yogurt and honey to a healthy face mask. When you are looking for home remedies to remove dead skin cells naturally, then this raw honey and curd will make the best dead skin face mask at home. You can apply these all natural face mask for dry skin. This anti-wrinkle mask is going to be the best face mask for aging skin and sagging skin. Now when you are searching for the best anti-aging face masks to look younger, then this pomegranate have anti-aging properties to rejuvenate your skin internally as well as externally. It is packed with antioxidants like proanthocyanidins and flavonoids that work great for the skin by delaying the signs of aging like wrinkles. You have been spending so much money on fruit face mask at parlor by searching some Botox face mask or best face mask for younger looking skin. But do you know we are also demonstrating the same best at home face mask for mature skin? This natural anti-aging mask is going to be the best face mask for wrinkles, fine lines and frown lines. All of us are obsessed with anti-aging products. We get paranoid and try whatever hits the market. Instead, you can try making these amazingly effective best natural face mask at home. Yes, fight skin aging with this type of anti-wrinkle face mask that make your skin look younger. You can try these amazingly effective best natural face mask at home. Fight skin aging with this type of anti-wrinkle face mask, make your skin look younger. When you need an anti-aging natural remedies and smoothing face mask, then raw milk face mask is highly recommended. If you like the video, then share it with your friends and let them know the tips for getting the beautiful skin naturally. And don't forget to subscribe this channel to get more tips on natural beauty. Thank you.